Good morning, students. So yesterday we have discussed about mathematics. What are the internals, what are the externals? So 80 plus 20. So 20 marks internals and 80 marks for the main exam. Okay. So first chapter is sets. Yesterday, as I have told you, you must be knowing what is natural numbers, what is whole numbers, what is that. So you are writing that in terms of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Okay. Now here sets. Sets means you need to write n is equal to set of natural numbers and in set form you have to write like this. So this bracket is very much important for sets, these brackets. If you will not put this bracket, this we cannot say as sets. So say set of natural numbers, so this way I have written same z is set of integers. And how to write integers? It's dot dot, then you can write -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, dot dot dot. Likewise, you have set of rational numbers, set of irrational numbers, and the combination of everything is set of real numbers. So real numbers consist of all the numbers. This you must be knowing. Like suppose if I draw a circular form, this is real numbers, then inside will come a few numbers, then most inside will be your set of natural numbers. So this we will come, this is R, this is N. So this I'll teach you when we will do subsets of a set, how to find the subsets of a set. That time this will be more useful for you. Now there are two ways to write a set. You must have seen I have written set of integers. I have written this -2 comma. So what do you mean by this way and what do you mean by this way? So this is nothing but you have written in set builder form. This means set builder form. Set builder form. And this means roster form. Or you can say tabular form. Here you can say or property method. Property means you are stating the property of this. This is roster form. Tabular form means separated by comma. For example, if I give you a question, example, that write the solution of the equation x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0 in roster form. Roster form means tabular form, separated by comma. Now you have done quadratic equation. How to factorize it? So first you need to factorize. Factorize x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So what are the factors? X square, this is since it is -2 and here it is plus. So this is plus 2x minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. When you take x common, you get x plus 2. Minus 1 common, you get x plus 2 is equal to 0. So you get two values, x equals to 1 and x equals to -2. So when I want to write in tabular form, it is the solution of this is 1 -2 comma 1 is the answer. This is tabular form. And actually when I want to write the property method, this is property form, but still how to write the property form? Like this I have written, I need to write it x such that, this is not upon x, such that x is a factor of x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is exactly what is property method, set builder form. Here, like I have written directly set of integers. So I have to write this z as z is equal to x. There are two ways to write such that. You can write this way such that, or you can write this way. So both are for such that. X such that x is a set of integers. Okay, so both the ways. I can write this also, I can write this also. Both are correct. This doesn't mean x upon x. It is x such that. Okay, children. So we have done set builder form, we have done roster form. So now next is finite set. Few definitions. Finite set. What do you mean by finite set? The sets which you are able to count, which we can count, is finite set. Second, infinite set, which we cannot count. Third, singleton set. What do you mean by singleton? Single itself means single, one element. So this is singleton set, or one, or anything. I can write -3. So these are singleton sets. Then fourth, infinite. This is also a finite set because you can count -2 and 1. Infinite set which you cannot count. Then roster form I have already told. Tabular form I have already told you what exactly. Now complement of a set. Before complement I start union and intersection. Union of a set. What do you mean by union of a set? Union of a set means, suppose if it is given A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and another set B is equal to given 0, 1, 4. So what do you mean by union of a set? Union is denoted by A union B. This is union. This is the sign for union. A union B. It is denoted by U. So what is A union B? Means you have to write all the elements. It's 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You must have seen 1 is 2 times. Still I have written 1 times. Yes, you don't have to repeat the element. So total number of elements whatever are there, so you have to write all, and the one which is repeating you have to write 1 time only. Fifth, intersection of a set. It is denoted by ulta U. This is the sign, ulta U, you can say. If you want to remember, you can remember in this way also. From here, if I can say what do we mean by intersection, so A intersection B means the element which is common Which is the common element here? 1 is the common in both the sets. So set 1. This is the intersection. Now next, suppose if I want to ask you example question. Let A is equal to set of natural numbers. Set of even natural numbers. I'll specify more. Even natural numbers. And B is equal to set of odd natural numbers. What is the union? Can you say? Yes. A union B, even and odd. So what is the union will be? Set of natural numbers. All natural numbers will come. What will be the intersection? Is there any element common? No. So what will be the intersection is null set. This is written as null set. Phi. In physics you will be studying phi. This notation is actually phi. Phi you can write is null set. It can also be written as this. Brackets and nothing is written inside. So this is A intersection B. Thank you children. Today I am teaching you this much only, so that if you have any doubt you can message me. Thank you.